Whoa! Sawadee-kap! We are in Thailand and I'm craving convenience store food. I miss my son already. Unahin natin to. Thai instant noodles. Tom yum flavor. 1 AM na talaga. How do you say delicious in Thai? Aroy. Aroy? Aroy. Seaweed thing, I think. Hindi siya malansa. Aroy. Maghahalo-halo sa tiyan. Strawberry jelly. Chicken bar. Hindi mo alam ano yung mga sinama dito. Sounds good. Tasty too. Protein. Basta nasa packaging chicken, chicken siya. Chicken essence. What's the chicken essence? Chicken essence. Chicken, but what if Viagra? Their brand. With goji berry. Remember yung nilalagay ko sa ampalaya soup. Machiso. And then this one is very interesting. Pickled grape. Pickled grape. Oh my god, ang sarap. Rice cracker. Top 1. Bibili ako nito. Marami. Nalagay ko sa maleta. That's it. See you guys again on my next